Hello dear student, today we will see use of some tools in Photoshop. I have opened the window of Adobe Photoshop CS3 extended. It is also same like Adobe Photoshop CS6. So now we will want to open a picture based on which we will do some usage of tools. Suppose we are taking a picture of this cockatoo bird and we have selected the cockatoo bird and you can see the cockatoo bird has come here. Now I will show you how to use this tool called polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool and lasso tool, by which you can cut a part of an image according to the edges of the part, and exactly the particular part of the image you can cut. So first we are using polygonal lasso tool. When polygonal lasso tool will be selected, you can see right click on this tool and then polygonal lasso tool. You can see the mouse pointer has been changed. Now you click the left click, do the left click and you start doing this and you move your mouse pointer according to the edges of the cockatoo bird. You can see very delicately you have to move the mouse pointer through the edges of this cockatoo bird as I'm doing. You can see this part, you can easily see this part. I'm moving the cockatoo bird according to the edges of the cockatoo bird. You can easily understand this part. And now we are moving the mouse pointer through the head of the cockatoo bird and now the beak. And remember this is the selection part. Through the selection part you can just select the particular figure of this cockatoo bird and you can see this part, and we are just moving through the edges of the bird. Now the feet of the bird with the branches, we are taking the branch of the tree where the cockatoo bird is sitting. Now we are selecting the entire part so that if we are cutting this part it will be looking more realistic. And now you can see the last left click I did with the first point where I started, and now you can see the edge of the cockatoo bird is selected and it is showing like this. Now you do one thing, you press Ctrl X, then this selected part of cockatoo bird has gone. Now you can open any other picture. You can really open. Suppose you are opening other picture, like here many pictures are there. Suppose you are opening this Eiffel Tower, suppose, and you can see the Eiffel Tower has come and you press Ctrl V and you can see that the cockatoo bird has come here. And now you do one thing, you just press the move tool and you can just move it, and you can see that this kind of collage of one part of the picture can be moved to the another part. So you can see this can be done. Or you can do one thing, you can take another picture, you can take the another picture as we want to do it. Let's see, suppose this picture, let's see how it comes, if it is coming or not. Yes, it is also coming and it will be more realistic. And you can see, suppose this bird is you are placing here. So now you can see that you have cut a part of a picture and you have placed that part of the picture into the another picture. So we have cut the cockatoo part picture and we have pasted into another picture. Now you can save this picture, like we are saving. Save as, you click on the save as, and suppose we are the jungle 1, and you can see the extension of the picture is .psd Photoshop document, and it is done. So you can see you have created a new picture by the help of this polygonal lasso tool. So this is one example, dear student, where you can use the polygonal lasso tool. Next is the magnetic lasso tool. The same thing you can do with the magnetic lasso tool, how I'm showing you. So first delete it and you cancel it and you open another picture. Okay, you open another picture. Suppose this falcon, the buzz, the bird. Just 1 minute, we need to open the Photoshop again, then it will be okay. So the Photoshop window has opened, and then we are opening the falcon part picture. It is there. I think it will have some, this picture is having some problem, so we are opening another picture. Suppose we are opening suppose this elephant picture. Let's see how it comes. Yes, now you right click on this polygonal lasso tool and you click the magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool allows you to select the edge of a part of an image more easily and more effectively. Now you can see we are very delicately selecting only this animal, elephant. We are actually, you can see the mouse pointer, we are only moving the mouse through the edges of elephant body, and you can see the mouse is producing one straight line or curved line, and the line is attaching with the edge of elephant as a magnet attracts another. So you can see that we are moving through the edges of elephant, and also what we are doing, we are just clicking after moving mouse a little bit. After moving a mouse little bit, we are just selecting the left click, and like this we are moving through the edges of the elephant. And you can see this part now we have already done, and we are clicking at the first point from where we have started. Now you can see the elephant part of this image has been selected. You can press Ctrl X, the part of the elephant has gone. Now you can bring another picture, you can open another picture. Let's see, here many elephants are there. One picture I'm having, and that picture you can bring, this picture you can bring and you can paste it. So now you can see it is looking very good. You use the move tool and you place the you place the elephant here, and you can see, suppose like this elephant is seeing other elephant to have the water, so it's running. So like this you can place here also, you can place here also. It will be more realistic, and you can save this picture also, like elephant jungle underscore elephant. So like this too, and obviously the file extension will be .psd, and save it and done it. So like this you can use the tool. So dear students, remember this, that the lasso tool is used. There are three kinds of lasso tools: lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. And lasso tools are used to cut the part of the picture according to the edges of the part, and it will look as of that particular part is a very lively, and you can use that cut part of an image into the another image. So this much for today. Thank you, students.